guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ella and today we're doing Frog in a Pond. For Frogs in a Pond you'll need a spoon, gelatin, hot water, warm water, cups and fritters. In a bowl. You will need to put your gelatin in the bowl. Then you are going to get your boiling water and put it in. And then you need to stir. Until it's all dissolved. Top. And mix it again. Now you need to get your cups. Now you need to stir until it's all dissolved. Now you need to put your warm water in. Now you will need to get your cups.
Just make that many.
You're gonna make sure that they're all even. You have to do the same with your arm. Okay. Now you need to put your frogs in. That's how you make frogs in a pond. Now you need to put them in the fridge for overnight. Thanks for watching, guys.